Hello everyone, I am Sudeep Paul and I am biomedical application expert. I have spent my 15 years in digital dentistry and you can say computer guided implant surgery. Have trained more than 5,000 dental practitioners practices for 3D printing and dental implant surgery to find right solutions how to place digital implant using your advanced technology of computer guided surgery. This is the digital era and digitization and computer guided surgery is the future of dental implant industry. Definitely this is the right time to add feather on your cap and to step into the world of digital dentistry. This can be rightly said, if you don't keep at par with advancement worldwide, this will be a big lacking aspect for surgeons because this is gonna be new normal for near future. After putting more than 15 years in research and development of computer-guided surgery and digital dentistry, we have come up with 3 different wonderfully structured models, basic, pro and advanced level that will help and boost your dental implant practice in different way and you can say next level of implant practice. So what you are going to learn through our training program. Okay, first thing, about guided surgery software, about computer guided surgery, basic to advanced information, CBCT scanning protocols, right? So every single practices for every single cases you have different scanning protocols. So you are going to learn all the single informations about the scanning protocols, treatment planning concept, all the treatment planning for single implant, full mouth, multiple implants, or for partially edentulous cases, dentulous cases, right? Transitional prosthesis, temporaries, provisional prosthesis. So this is the one solution where you will be learning all the things that no next level training or no additional training is required post this training program. Second, guided surgery planning. Computer guided surgery, surgical guide design for pilot design for fully guided concept, determine the drilling sequences or how to determine the flaplet surgery concept before your actual surgery, and most benefited thing is to how to save time in computer guided surgery. Not only computer guided surgery, how to save time in dental implant surgery utilizing the computer guided surgery concept. So this is the only program, one single program where you can consider you are going to learn all the single aspect of the dental implant surgery combining the computer guided surgery concept. Okay, so we are encouraging all the dental practices to start in-house fabrications and to find out the right solutions for your dental implant practice for one-time lifetime opportunity of learning. So in our workshop we have segmented one more model is pro model where you will be learning the bone reduction concepts, stackable guided surgery, osteotomy, one guided surgery with the bone reduction concept with the transitional prosthesis design, right, zygoma planning, pterygoid guide design planning. So this is the advanced level training program, you can say professionally or pro level training program where you will be learning all the core informations about the advanced surgical thing, right. All I can say, by the end of this module, you are not going to learn only about guided surgery planning using Blue Sky Plan software, but you have enough insight to plan, design and fabricate your own surgical guide. Make your surgeries more precise and accurate, save time on treatment planning and dental implant surgery. Simply say, all your surgeries can be 100% fail-proof after taking this training program. Here is wishing you happy learning and see you soon in our training program.